Good day, everyone. I am Paul John Lee Takmoy, and today we'll be discussing about the topic contextualization of the curriculum. Key objectives of contextualization of the curriculum. First objective is connecting learning to the real world applications. So, ensuring students can see how classroom concepts are applicable to their lives and futures career, incorporating local knowledge and issues, drawing on the specific experience and challenge of the community where students live to enhance learning. Third, objectives, promoting critical thinking. So, encouraging students to analyze information with its border, context, and evaluating its implications. Fourth, objectives, developing cultural and sensitivity, recognizing and respecting diverse perspective and experience within the learning environment. Fifth, uh, objectives with personalizing learning. So, tailoring instruction to the meet individuals, student need and require knowledge. Introduction. Curriculum development is a dynamic process that continuously evolves to meet the needs of the learners and society. One of the significant trends in modern curriculum development is contextualization, which refers to adapting the curriculum to suit the specific needs, cultures, environment, and the real life experience of the learners. So, education is always evolving to meet the needs of the learners and the society. One of the major trends is the contextualization, which makes learner more relevant and meaningful by connecting the lesson to student and the real experience, culture, and environment. What is contextualization of the curriculum? Contextualization of the curriculum is an approach that adapts teaching and learning to the specific needs, experience, and cultural background of the student. This process ensures that the learning is meaningful, relevant, and applicable to the real situation. It widely used in a modern education system, improve student engagement and performance. So, when you say contextualization, means adapting lesson to be more relevant uh, to the student. And instead of just memorizing facts, and students may apply what they learn in a real situation. The approach uh, helps to make learning engaging, practical, and cultural relevant. For example, instead of using the foreign example in science, the teachers can discuss local environmental issues like deforestation or marine conversation to help students to connect with the topic. Trends in contextualization of the curriculum. Now, let's look of the same key trends shape on the contextualization learning today. First, the first key trends in contextualization of the curriculum. First is competency-based education or CBA. Curriculum focus on skills and competency rather than just content. So this uh, first trend is focus on the skills and practical knowledge instead of just memorizing information. Example is the K to 12 curriculum in the Philippines includes technical vocational subjects that provides hands hands-on industry. training. Second trends are localization and indigenization. So, localization, adapting lesson to the local materials, tradition, and needs. And indigenization, enhanced uh, curriculum with indigenous knowledge, practice, and culture. Example, teaching farming techniques used by indigenous group in agriculture lesson. The third trends of the curriculum is technology integration and contextualized learning. Digital tools help customize lessons based on students' experience. So, example, math apps that teach budgeting by using real shipping scenarios. Fourth trends of the curriculum is inclusive education. So, contextualized curriculum ensure accessibility for all, including marginalized group. Example, special education programs that integrate the local culture and language to be used. Last trends of the curriculum is globalization and cultural adoption. So balancing international standard with local relevance. So example Ani is English lesson that include uh, local literature while still meeting global competency standard. Thank you and God bless. That's all my topic. Thank you.